Hidden deep within the forests of Asia lives a predator so powerful, even silence fears it. The tiger, a hunter capable of taking down animals twice its size, while moving to the jungle almost completely unnoticed. But despite their reputation as ruthless killers, tigers spend most of their lives avoiding conflict, because in nature, unnecessary fights are expensive. One injury can mean starvation, and starvation means death. Tigers are not built for long chases. Unlike cheetahs, they do not rely on speed. Instead, they rely on patience. A tiger may stalk its prey for over an hour without attacking. Every step is calculated, every movement controlled. Even their stripes serve a deadly purpose. To humans, tiger stripes look bright and obvious, but to many animals, the stripes blend perfectly with shadows and tall grass. Nature turned the tiger into a walking optical illusion. Imagine evolution looking at a giant orange cat and saying, "Yeah, nobody's gonna notice that. Somehow it worked." Most cats hate water. Tigers did not get the memo. In fact, tigers are excellent swimmers. Some have been recorded swimming for several kilometers at a time. In the brutal heat of tropical forests, water becomes survival. Rivers cool them down, hide their scent, and sometimes even help them hunt. Watching a tiger swim feels strangely wrong, like discovering your house cat secretly pays taxes. Tigers rarely roar without reason. Most communication happens silently, using scent. Urine markings, scratch trees, and chemical signals create invisible borders across the jungle. To humans, the forest smells like dirt and rain. To a tiger, it reads like social media. Who is here, how old they are, whether they are healthy, and whether another tiger is looking for a mate. Basically, the jungle has an invisible tiger internet, just with fewer arguments in the comments section. When darkness falls, the tiger becomes even more dangerous. Tigers prefer hunting during dawn, dusk, or nighttime because darkness gives them advantage. Their night vision is far superior to human eyesight. To prey animals, the jungle at night becomes a nightmare filled with invisible movement. And the tiger knows this. A single failed hunt can waste enormous energy. So every attack matters. No wasted motion, no dramatic roaring. Real predators are quieter than movies. Despite their terrifying reputation, tiger mothers can be incredibly gentle. Cubs are born blind and helpless. For weeks, they depend entirely on their mother. She teaches them how to hunt, how to hide, how to survive, and survival is not guaranteed. Many cubs never reach adulthood. Nature can be beautiful, but it is never soft. Still, mother tigers defend their cubs with astonishing courage, even against animals far larger than themselves. Because in the wild, love also has claws. Tigers do not rule the jungle because they are the fastest, or the loudest, or the biggest. They rule because they mastered patience. Stealth, timing, power used only when necessary. And perhaps that is why humans remain fascinated by them. Because deep inside, the tiger represents something ancient, silent confidence, controlled strength, the ability to move through chaos without fear. In a noisy world, the tiger survives quietly, and somehow that makes it even more terrifying. Somewhere in the forest tonight, a tiger is already watching.